Are you trying to create a GIF from a video clip, but struggling with moving objects? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle how to crop a region of interest that moves from left to right over time using MoviePy. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you have a video full of action and you just want to focus on a specific area. Many creators face this challenge, especially when automatic tracking isn't an option. Here's the situation. One user asked how to crop a moving rectangle from a video clip to create a GIF. They mentioned that the rectangle is fixed in place, but they want it to move with time. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution together. So, what's the issue here? The user is working with MoviePy, which is great for video editing, but they need to adjust the cropping coordinates dynamically as the video plays. This can be tricky, but it's definitely doable. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your GIF creation process even smoother. To begin solving this issue, the user should define a function that calculates the coordinates of the cropping rectangle based on the current time of the video. This function will help in dynamically adjusting the crop area. Next, the user should create a lambda function that applies the cropping function to each frame of the video. This will ensure that the crop area moves as the video plays. After defining the moving crop, the user can now write the GIF file. This will capture the dynamically cropped frames and save them as a GIF. Finally, the user should test the generated GIF to ensure that the cropping rectangle moves correctly throughout the video. This will confirm that the implementation works as intended. Fun fact, did you know that GIFs were originally created in 1987? They have come a long way since then, and now you can create them dynamically with just a few lines of code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using the scroll function in MoviePy. This function allows you to move the cropping rectangle over time. You can specify the speed and starting position of the scroll. The parameters include the width and height of the final clip, as well as the X and Y speeds for scrolling. You won't need to set width and height if you're cropping separately. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always test your GIF creation with different video clips to ensure your cropping function works well across various scenarios. This will save you time and effort in the long run. And there you have it. You should now be able to crop a moving region of interest and create stunning GIFs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on video editing.